Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and I wanted to make a very quick video today because we are going to talk about how you can get a free pair of AirPods Pro. So stick around for the rest of the video. It'll be short and sweet, and we'll tell you how to do it. So Helium Hotspot is something that I've reviewed recently. Helium is basically trying to decentralize the telecom networks, starting with low power IoT devices. There's multiple people who are partnering with them, including Limebike, Nestle, Invisaleash, and Agulous. And it's also important to note that Google Ventures is backing them. They're one of the companies that has funded this venture, and it's a really big deal. So if you want to check out a review on the Helium Hotspot, I will tag a link for that down in the description. But you're here to learn how you can get a pair of AirPods Pro. So I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see it. As you can see here, if you refer 3 friends, you can get an engraved pair of AirPods Pro. Now this is a limited time offer, of course. This is only going from December 9th through December 31st. So you have to refer 3 friends. Now keep in mind, you cannot use your own referral link. So if you haven't bought one yet, don't think you can go and knock one of those out by buying it on your own referral link. They need to be unique people. So in other words, if one person goes and buys 3 hotspots, that doesn't count. It has to be 3 unique purchases on your referral code. Now, if you do that, not only will you get a pair of AirPods Pro, but it will also be engraved with the name of your hotspot on it, which is pretty cool. Also, it's important to remember that if you refer 5 friends, you get an extra hotspot absolutely free. The simple way to do this is you go to helium.com and you go to the bottom here and you just check your referral status, and you'll just type your email address in right there. Boom. And what it'll do is it'll come up with your referral status. Now I have to say 15 people have bought hotspots from my referral link, so I'm absolutely flabbergasted. Thank you all for supporting that. Another thing is, if I do get 3 more referred and I get a pair of AirPods Pro, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away $50 worth of Bitcoin. So if you want to enter in for that giveaway, comment your Bitcoin address down below. So what we'll do is I'll split the $50 up. So 5 people will get $10 worth of Bitcoin if I get a pair of AirPods Pro. So Helium Hotspots retail for $495. If you use my referral link, you can get $50 off. So you can get it for $450, and you will help contribute to me getting a pair of AirPods Pro. And you will get your own referral link so that you can refer it to other people and potentially get your own AirPods Pro and even another Helium hotspot for free. So thanks for checking the video out. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel because I constantly come out with lots of stuff like this relating to tech, crypto, investing, and finance. If that's up your alley, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications as well. That way you'll get notified every time I come out with a new video. Thanks for stopping by. Once again, my name is Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.